Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Newt, good morning. Dobie does good morning. Ronax, good morning. Emerson, good morning. Ace, good morning. Vok, good morning. Winning Wednesday, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. Oh, goes on, all right. NQ, good morning. Secret, good morning. Quinn, good morning. Got some very strong sell pressure this morning. 1,200 ticks already in, let's see, 15 minutes. 15 minutes, 1,200 ticks. And then the see a sun up. 1,200 ticks in 15 minutes. Holy cow. Welcome in, though, guys. Happy Wednesday. I only wanna do you dirt. Suicidal when they say it's over. Currently in a 15-minute level, or sorry, 15-minute inverse right now, and psych level. Suicidal when they say it's over. And no. Morning, Alpha. Morning, Alex. Oh, Lord. Driving me crazy. Yep. Finding strong support from this 5-minute area and that psych. Like I said, 300 ticks from that. Scheisse. Wanna do you dirt? Also in standard div here as well. See what we can get today, man. You guys know the drill. Stay patient. Stay patient. We have our levels here. We have a general idea of what we're looking for. So now we just stay patient. We wait. And we will execute when the time is right. 15-minute could close above that EMA, which is going to be actually kind of crazy. 15-minute closes above that. That'll be a very strong close. Yeah, you guys know the deal. Stay patient. And they'll have you so sad. Make it better. Make it better. $570 could be good if we get a good close. $570 long. Looks like another 567 area. That's really what it would be. The 6-7 levels have been playing well recently. They have been playing well. All right, someone already put 6-7. Brain rotted out chat. Jesus, man. They've been playing good though. The 6-7 levels, like whatever it is, they've actually been playing like had a lot of openings at them. And this is another one here, potentially 1 minute IFEG, 1 minute. That's after finding very strong support from that 500 psych and 5 minute area with standard deviation at this level as well. I wonder if there's fib. Yeah, it looks like fib probably does line up there. Yep. So you got fib there, you have standard div, you have psych at that 500 flat area, which is where we found it buyers exactly. And then you got 5 minutes supporting Bistian inverse. So structure is looking pretty good for longs here. Coming back down into this newly formed 1 minute IFEG and 1 minute Bisti here at that 567. It's tempting to take, but it came to 571 already, so it's tempting to take, but maybe wait for confirmation. The volume is very heavy today, guys, so do take this into consideration. Do take that into maybe your sizing and your risk on the day. See what we can make shake today. Honestly, the RR is looking incredibly good at this level too. Man, it's tempting to rip. Not gonna lie. It's tempting to rip right now. I would do it half size if I was going to do it. I'm a little scared to do it though. ES structure looks good. I would take it on ES. News. We do have 10 a.m. news. It's not very heavy news though. So we do have news in about 3 minutes. Do have news in about 3 minutes, guys. So be conscious about that. You my remedy. It's tempting, but I'd rather wait for 10 a.m. close. because the volume's already very high. So imagine what it's going to be like with some news. Even though it's not necessarily like a super impactful news event, it's still news regardless. It can come out like however it wants. Did you play your 5 placement game, Swush? Yeah, I did. I got M2. I got M2. What did you guys get, man, if you guys played ranked yesterday? Swush, you should do a 1v1 for a funded account. Bro, honestly, I played my placement games on Siege yesterday. I don't think I want to hop on that game again. I'm going to be honest. Got champ. All right. I got gold 4. I won 4 out of 5. Oh, that's not bad. Silver 1. I'm not going to lie. There was a lot more emeralds than I was expecting. Like, I don't know what it was. I don't know if there was still a hidden MMR or something, but like we were facing like a bunch of other M's and cheaters. Oh, some marathon, dude. Nice, bro. Played a good amount of marathon. Talking about Rainbow Six Siege. All right, here's we got news about in a 1 minute. God, this is looking like strong, but did I miss a trade already? No, you did not miss a single thing. You are good, brother. You are good. Fellas, we're staying patient. 30 seconds till news. Can we set a prayer on the day, man? I just feel like let's get a little prayer for the day. Everyone raise their cups, whatever you got nearby you, a water, a coffee. This is part of the manifestation process right here. Raise your cups. Let's set our intentions for the day. Trading gods, market gods, please allow us to have a beautiful green day full of TP smashed in green, 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 lovely profits. Let's have some good price action. Let's make some money today. Please bless us with this. Thank you and amen. Let's get it, guys. I do suspect us to just pump now from this level, but I'm okay with missing out on this trade. Even though, like, it's probably going to go up and continue going up, but I'm okay with missing out on this. Kinda, not really. You gotta stay. Did he catch the bearish line today? No, I did not catch the bearish line today. Who that is? Yeah, man, I played my placement matches in Siege yesterday. Everything was going good. We were tapping heads, yada, yada. Then got placed in Emerald, too, which I think is the max rank that you can get from that. And then we started getting like 15 RP or something like retarded. Started getting like 15 RP and facing cheaters. So, like, okay. Siege has not changed a single bit. It's great to see. Gonna stay the night. Oh, 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 oh. Through the darkness. Yeah, see, so we did pump from this level as expected, as called out. It's just there wasn't like necessarily an entry I was comfortable with. I mean, if I would have taken the 5, 6, 7, like I was talking about, even with like an 80 tick stop loss, which is like kind of like close to the maximum of what I'll risk per trade, would have got stopped out by what, 12 ticks. So maybe missed out on that. Even though bias played out from this area, technicals technically did play out at this level. I'm all right with missing out on this. The RR did look extremely strong though. So even if I did take an original SL on this, it wouldn't have mattered. Would have probably got back in and then caught 300 ticks. So it's like the loser really didn't even matter. It'd still be up big. But it's okay. Won't let it affect the rest of the day. Good to see analysis playing out though. Technicals playing out. It's good to see. Market may be insanely bullish or bearish right now, but technicals still play, right? First up the 500 level. That's a key part of this level up here. That's a key part of this level right here. Is that original 500 bounce. Many other confluences pushing that thing up. What about a short from 690? Maybe short around this area from 680 to 700. Probably 700 to be honest. I like that a little bit more. It would be nice to see EMA line up with that, which 5-minute does look like it's lining up with it. Except if we do hit that level, we'd then be crossing over VWAP. Not a terribly big deal, since we do have multiple EMAs above still. But it is something to note. I was lost. Any trades today? Nope, no trades yet. No trades yet. Stay patient. Morning, Jay. Tachi, what up, dude? I can lift you up. Look at that TP though. TP would have been fucking gorgeous. Holy. TP would have been gorgeous if we took that. We're safe and sound. Be safe and sound. safe and sound. Look at the TP that would have been, though. Holy. Would have been an insane TP area right there. Holy. Key level now on watch, it's going to be the short up here. It could line up very nicely for us. Have that 1 minute there. Have that golden pocket right there. Got EMA and VWAP up here on multiple time frames. Got a 15-minute gap there as well. Big psych level as well. Some internal structures lining up with that CE. Could be a very nice short. Need NQ to give us a good target, though. I have a short level at 725, but I'm also trash. I appreciate the honesty, bro. You might be one of the very few people that would actually give a level, but say they're trash, bro. Hey, no worries at all, bro. Appreciate the transparency. That's a nice breath of fresh air for once. Instead of, oh, you don't see the level I'm looking at, you're trash. We'll see what happens, man. I do expect some shorts from this level, so yeah, we'll see what comes into play here. You actually in this trade? No, I did not get in on this. I was thinking about it when we were at the level, but we had news. Structure was chopping before the news. Analysis played out. Technicals played out at that level, but nope, didn't execute on it. Saw a TikTok live trader long at 942. Took a quick L and ended stream. Scheisse. Yeah, not gonna lie, you shouldn't trust any TikTok traders. You shouldn't trust any trader that is live on TikTok, including me. Do your own research before anything. Do your own research. If it aligns with you too, if you're comfortable with taking it, go ahead, do it. But majority of these guys are like, I don't know. I found you on TikTok. All right. I trust you, bro. Appreciate it, bro. I do what I can for you guys. I can't help it any of them. What's our streak too on winning Wednesdays on TikTok? What is it? 9 weeks? I don't know. 54 weeks. Fuck it. Let's go with it. We're on a 27-week win streak on winning Wednesdays. All right. I found Swush on maleescorts.gov. What does that mean? I don't even know what that means. Waiting for the cap comments, but it's true. All right, we are getting closer to this level, man. We are getting closer to this level. Who's ready to full port? Who is full porting type 1 in the chat if you are full porting on this trade? I personally am full porting on this trade for literally every single dollar and cent that I have in my account. That's what I like to see. Zero risk management. That's what I like to see. Let's do it. That is a joke, by the way. That is sarcasm for all the smooth brains. Just so we're being clear here. Do not hold me liable for any risk. This is not financial advice. Your meme coins were financial advice. All right. Those were definitely not financial advice. Oh. Yo, I kind of want to enter at the top of this gap at 705. Could have a lower entry. Oh. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead, open my position here at this level. It's the top of this gap here. Limit is now open at this 705. Did we just get missed by a single fucking tick? Maybe. I will throw a brick through my PC setup. It would not be the first time. You're done, kid. I feel like I need some little Uzi Vert for this. All right, may move up entry. I can't. We actually got missed on that original. Literally 1 point, man. May move up entry. Haven't done it yet. Gonna wait to see what this candle does. I feel like I can hold it since we do have VWAP right here pushing us up. I feel like I can hold it. I'm gonna give it a couple seconds, see what happens. Candle close in 4 seconds. Dude, if I get missed twice today. Someone said, here goes my life savings. Bro, no, are you actually kidding me? Are you actually kidding me? I think the majority is in that trade. Type 1 in chat if you are in on this. Filled into this trade. Looking to ride this thing down. Up 300 in like 3 seconds. Not bad. Could TP right now and go give out food to the homeless, but I'm not going to do that. We're going to wait to ride this thing the full TP instead. Up 500 already, guys. Holy cow. Up 650. Up 800. Better to fix the R1. Yeah, you're right. This is kind of a tricky area because we have that VWAP right below, which don't underestimate the power of VWAP. Do not underestimate the power of VWAP. But it is a good short level. We have multiple confluences here. We have EMA right above on both the 1 minute and 5 minute here. Multiple gaps. Holy shit. And holy shit. Did MNQ wick to TP? Did MNQ wick to TP? No? Yes, it did. Which one is it? Yes or no? Yes or nine? Or yes or nine? Up 1,300 bucks, baby. Get up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. Ooh, ooh. Up 1,300 bucks, guys. Beautiful trade so far. Hopefully, you guys did risk your life savings like I told you to do. Motherfucker, I don't miss. Shit. All right, do need to be careful here, though. All jokes aside, this is kind of scary that it's came this close twice and continues to keep wicking up this strong all the way back. Fuck, that was my original TP too, wasn't it? That was my original TP at that area. Yeah. I said, ooh, I'm going to move up TP back to that 150 ticks like I had it previously. I don't know why I moved it. That was stupid. I moved it by like 20 ticks. It's not worth the extra 200 bucks for me personally. So TP's moved back to that 150 tick TP area. Should have been out of this trade already. Hopefully you guys managed your trade properly. Loki, this is not great management on this, but yeah. 1,200. 1,300 bucks, 1,400 bucks. TP smashed on that trade. Let's get the W's. If you guys made some money on that trade, absolutely beautiful. Another winning motherfucking Wednesday, baby. Come on, man. 150 ticks signaled out. First trade of the day. And yeah. Thank God I moved my TP back because look at this thing finding support once again. Wow. Wow. Nice little 1,500 bucks on this trade. to start off the morning, baby. Oh, nice. The entire video I just took deleted. Nice, guys. Yeah. Wow. Crazy. Crazy management of that. I should have left original TP. I was really only looking for 150 ticks. I mean, look at the entry and look at the TP though. Look at the entry and look at the TP though. Look at the entry and look at the TP though. Come on, man. Premium poster gains, tag me. Poster gains, tag me. W bro, but fuck trade sinker. All right. Potato, I'm not gonna lie. I think you've said fuck trade sinker the past what? 4 trading days? It's like every day, man. At some point just be like, all right, enough is enough. I'm not gonna lie, I've been there too. Trades, if you've used trade sinker, the odds are like 99% that it's fucked up on you too. Yes, sir. GG's. NQ playing ping pong. Let's see some of the gains coming in on the Ray. Tick Hunter with the $5,700 on the day. In just a couple minutes, guys. It's insane. Quinn with the 740, guys, on his Express account in a couple of minutes. You know, this is $700. This is what people make in a week. This is what people make in 2 weeks, some people. I mean, shit. Blessed, bro. Blessed beyond belief. Very nice. Tanner, a nice 1,300 on the day on his Express account. Again, $1,300 in just a few minutes, guys. In just a few minutes. Where else are you getting returns like this quickly? Yes, we do risk, bro, but it's part of the game. It's part of the game. But look at it. It pays off crazy. 730 for TS trades. Absolute W. Dong says W Swididdy with the 380 on the Ray. So who full ported? No, Ray. Who full ported, guys? Q60 Red Sport? One of my buddies in high school had one. It was cool. I did. All right. Nice, guys. Everyone should be in and out of that trade. Look at the PA, though. Look at where... What did I say, though? This is going to be a tricky one. This is a bit of a tricky one since we have those EMAs and we have the resistance points above, but we also have that VWAP right below. So what does it do? It creates that ping pong action, Chino. It creates that ping pong action. Bouncing just between 2 technicals, man. Bouncing between 2 technicals, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. That's why, like, gotta be quick. I'm happy I moved up TP. I'm happy I moved up TP. I did not mean to go for the extra 20 ticks. A good candle closes on the 5-minute, though. It is pretty bearish, but again, the VWAP can hold. It's very powerful. You know? Ooh, potato. What happened, man? When's the fuck a fan contest? Never. It's never happening, guys. It's never happening. Fuck a fan is never happening, man. I'm sorry. Later, Chino. Got some more gains coming in from premium. Zentorion says 4 times unfunded. Thanks, Swooshy. With the 443 on the ray. Drip drop with the 4,800 on the day. 2 for 2. He says money sign. W's. Ace Deli Cat. What am I looking at here? Is this like 10 accounts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 accounts. I don't even know what this is. It's maybe $15,000. It looks like. Fifth. I don't even know. Let's call it 10,000 just to play it safe. Either $10,000 to $15,000 in a single day for Ace. Hopefully those are live accounts. I will be extremely proud if those are. GG's. 320 on the day for Big Boy Darnell and 630 on another account. $1,000 day for Big Boy Darnell. Gab coming in with the 496 on his Express account. Do you guys notice that like majority of the premium members posting their gains are on funded accounts, not eval gains? $1,300 for Osa Hanumahuma. Very nice. So they signal botters. Low key, we have one of the very few groups in the industry where you actually can. Signal bot. Because we signal trade so far ahead of time. Anyone can just copy it. Anyone can come up with whether they want to or not. I signal bot as well. I signal bot Jay all the time. And guess what? It plays out. What are you going to say then? It's like, and he's one of the very few people I will signal bot. Like there's not, I don't signal bot ever. This is one of the very few people I would ever signal bot from. It is the only person I've signal botted from, actually. Like, yeah. It's great for using as a confluence with my strategy, but being at work makes it hard to watch. Swush helps me so much. Hunter, I appreciate you, bro. You can use me however you want. On the charts. No, not however, bro. That's not what I meant. However you want on the charts. Can't wait for the Switty party later. All right. Another winning Wednesday, man. Another green day for the group. We are on track to have a 4th week without a single red day. Swush versus 1,000 men. All right. Like, I don't even know why you would even type that. That's crazy. 3 to 4 weeks ago, I started copy trading 4 evals. Now I'm up on 4 fundeds around 3.5K each, only through copying Jay and Swush. Guys, let's do the math. Calculator. Let's do the math. 3,500 times 4 $14,000. $14,000. Let's do the math. Zentorion says 3 to 4 weeks ago, I started copy trading 4 evals. Now I'm up on 4 fundeds, around 3.5K each, only through copying Jay and Swush. That's $14,000. That's $14,000 in 3 to 4 weeks. $14K in 3 to 4 weeks. Let that sit in. That's from trading, what, an hour and a half a day? Being on the charts for an hour and a half a day? I mean, guys, don't hear it from me. Hear it from the members, man. GG. It's crazy. It's crazy. Get that paid out, man. Get that paid out. Enjoy your profits, man. Nice trading month. Let's just hope you're not on Alpha Trader. And you're working on a side note. Amazing. Literally amazing, bro. Literally amazing. As you should be. As you should be. Even more money, bro. Even more income stream. Even more. As you should. Because anything can happen on the charts. Mm-hmm. 6 winning Wednesday? I swear it's more than 6. But it might be 6. No trades tomorrow? Probably not. Probably not. You and Jay are on fire. When we're hot, we're hot. You know what I mean? When we're hot, we're hot. So, ooh, and the markets are good right now too. You know, stuff has definitely, like, I feel like it's cooled down a lot since the past couple weeks. I feel like it's markets cooled down and became a lot better in, you know, in recent times versus, you know, look back a couple months ago, shit was crazy. Give me signal boy. Yeah, Potato, how's your trade sinker, dude? Did you get it figured out? Some would say a skill issue, man. I want to do Unite Prince. In the right time, one of a kind. He's so classic. It's not even 8 a.m. yet. It's not even 8 a.m. yet. And already up $1,500 on the day. A lot of people are still in bed. People are still sleeping. You know, people haven't even woke up to go, you know, get to the money. We're already up 150 ticks. And if they were in Swush trading, If they were even in Swush trading, they would also be up. Look at this Diddy candle right now. Wow. Crazy. Up $70 on the day feels good. Whatever it is, man. Listen, you're making money appear from charts. You're making money literally appear what feels like out of thin air, right? Whatever your sizing is, bro, enjoy it. Take it. Feel good about it, man. It's what an opportunity. What an opportunity, you know? What an opportunity we're all blessed with in this day and age. I'm going to be honest, if I was born back in like the 1920s or something, I'd probably like be in the mob or something, you know what I mean? But nowadays, like this day and age with technology and stuff, we can make money from the charts, man. Like it's essentially like making money appear out of thin air on the charts. And you could actually do it with an edge. We can do it with an edge. Like it's not just gambling. We're not just loading up stake.com and, praying that luck is on our side this time. No, it's like when you have an edge, everything becomes calculated. Everything becomes starts to make sense, and you can start to consistently do this and make that money appear out of thin air. It's a crazy opportunity we have in this day and age. And guess what? A lot of people will try this trading stuff, and it's not going to work out, and they are going to quit. Not everyone is made out for this, but guess what? It is one of the greatest opportunities for retail traders. It is the best, most lucrative time for retail traders to get a slice of the action, to have that limitless potential to become the next Warren Buffett, to become the next Swush trading. Like, you have this crazy opportunity right in front of you. And hopefully you guys are taking it serious. Hopefully you guys are taking advantage of it. What a time to fucking be alive. What a time to be alive, man. Because if it was back then, like, if it was even some years ago, like, what was the path back then? What was the path back then? What was the path back then? Internet money was not as easy as it is now, man. And now that we have it, like, yo, rinse it, man. Take this shit serious. Do the best that you can. Crazy time, beyond blessed, bro. Beyond blessed, man. I'm so happy I never gave up. I'm so happy I never quit. And guess what? It's just like the meme of the miner mining until he hits diamonds. Persistence, persistence, persistence in whatever you are doing. In whatever you are doing, persistence is key. Persistence is going to get you to the place that you are trying to go. You are going to fail along the way. You are going to get tired along the way. You are going to want to feel like you want to quit along the way. But if you continue to keep going, eventually you will hit something. Eventually you will. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. Tuesday. I personally can't accept losing, bro. So I do something until it works. And I know many of you do too. Treat trading as the same, man. Your time is coming. Your time is coming. Just take it serious, bro. Lock in. You know, many people think it's like quick money or it's like fake money or they think it's not possible or they think, it's just something it's like all a dream that people can't even ever achieve. I'm here to tell you it's all possible. I'm here to tell you it is all possible. Genuinely it is. So as long as you don't quit, as long as you have faith, man, honestly, that's really what it is, man. You got to just have faith in whatever you are doing, whether it's trading or anything else. Just have some faith, man. I swear, like, just have faith in what you are doing. When you believe something is going to happen, it fucking happens. It's a crazy concept, bro. But you know what? A lot of people are pessimistic and they think nothing goes their way and they think the world is out to get them and they think they're not capable of doing stuff. But everyone is capable of it. You just have to have that faith. You have to believe in whatever you're doing. Yeah, but you guys need rules, man. Taking this one winner, $1,500. I'm done on the day. Don't need to push myself any further. I've already calculated the market. What more do we need to do? Not going to push, not going to risk unnecessary capital that we don't need to be risking. We made our money. We beat the market for today. Come back, do it again tomorrow. Swush, you grew up in a church? No, not at all. I actually grew up in like a not religious family. Like maybe went to church maybe 3 times, 4 times. I don't even know. For like Easter or something. Trying to grow my life to be less stress and more ready with more capital to learn your way because I come from gold where fair value gaps are seen as bullshit, but I see the result and can't wait to practice it myself. Yo, I've seen people say fair value gaps are bullshit all the time just because they are trying to shit on other people's strategy. And that person may not trade fair value gaps because they've never got it to work. They've never got it to work. They've never got it to work. I know so many traders that never even knew about a fair value gap before, and then they learn about it and they're like, "Oh, wait." And yes, fair value gaps are bullshit for the most part. For the most part, yes. Not every fair value gap is meant to be traded though. It's not as easy as just, oh, there's a fair value gap there. Let me get in. And that is what so many people think fair value gaps are. They think it's like some magic fucking box that like you mark out every single time you see one. It's not like that. It's not like that. You actually need a strategy behind the fair value gap. They're a great entry model. I will say that they are a great entry model selectively. Selectively, they can be an amazing entry model in Confluence, but not every single fair value gap means something. Most of them are bullshit. Right. So if people are using just Fibonacci, which is a great technical, it's a great technical, but not necessarily by itself. Fibonacci retracement gives you a retracement goal. It gives you a retracement area. That's fantastic. But the Fibonacci golden pocket could be It could be huge. It could be huge. Do you know what I mean? Where the fuck are you going to enter in here? Where are you going to enter in here? It's a great tool, but you need to pair it with something else. You need many other things you need to pair it with. As a matter of fact, you need to pair it with many other confluences, which is where fair value gaps come into play. Moving averages come into play. Price action comes into play. Most importantly, price action, just flat out just seeing how we move into a certain level helps. That comes with experience. It's not just as black and white as it seems, right? I personally think every strategy can be profitable. I'm not as ignorant as some of these traders are to think where like, oh no, that strategy doesn't work. Maybe because they tried it and it didn't work for them. I think every single strategy had to have worked for somebody for it to become popular. And that person therefore popularized it because it worked for them. And they were trading it a very specific way. That is what people don't understand is like, we can have the same strategy, but we trade it completely differently. You know what I mean? We trade it completely differently. And that's where experience comes into play. That's where like different trading styles come into play. We have the same strategy, maybe, but our trading styles may be completely different. You know what I mean? It's a very like I've explained this before. It's a very touchy thing. Like, dude, the smallest things in your strategy matter. Like the time of day that you're trading, like your stop loss size, like your TP size, like how aggressive you're trading, like the area of the range that you're trading in. Are you extended or not? Are you in chop or not? You know, there's just so many factors that come into play. There's just so many factors. So I personally am not as ignorant as other people to just say this strategy doesn't work, this strategy doesn't work. I'm sure you can make the RSI indicator work profitably for you. You just need to trade it in a very, very, very specific way. You know what I mean? I'm sure I could trade based off of the 200 EMA, solely based off the 200 EMA. You know what I mean? Like that is my strategy. But it's like, am I going to trade it every single time it goes into the 200 EMA? No. Like I'd be very selective. I don't know. I think every strategy can be profitable if you trade it the right way. Do you have a promo for Top Step? Let me tell you something about these fucking prop firms, actually. And I'm actually pissed off about it because more prop firms are doing it. I have now been kicked off from Apex. Apex kicked me off. They're kicking off affiliates. I don't know if it's because I said something. I doubt it. Or they're just kicking off all affiliates that aren't pulling in $100,000 a month for them. Apex kicked me off from being an affiliate. My funded futures kicked me off from being an affiliate again because I'm not pulling in like $200,000 a month for them. Got kicked off multiple of these prop firms for no fucking reason. And these prop firms don't understand without people like us pushing them and giving them these promo codes, they're fucking useless. Like, honestly, I'm not here to dick suck prop firms. I'm not paid out to promote these prop firms just because. They all fucking suck. Most of them suck. And most of you, ideally, you should not be trading on a prop firm. And maybe it's because I say shit like this. Maybe they kicked me off. I don't know. But they're all shit anyways. Like, you know what I mean? It's not your money you are trading with. They have complete control. They've denied so many people, whoever it is. Apex has denied many traders. Everyone has denied many traders in the prop firm space. And It's shit. I think prop firms are very predatory on traders, and it makes beginner traders and even experienced traders alike, it forces bad habits, bad mindset, and really just it alters people's trading plan and trading rules altogether, which is extremely shit and dangerous. You know what I mean? So, listen, I'm not going to sit here and promote a prop firm just because I'm paid out by them or anything. Um, so yeah, start a live account, man. Grow your account. But yeah, that's just a little rant because I'm actually fed up with these prop firms, man. I'm just like, oh, Kanye. And like, especially too, a lot of the times beginner traders will get into prop firms and end up pouring in thousands and thousands and maybe tens of thousands of dollars into these prop firms when instead from the start you might have just been able to put that into a live account and be so much better. Hey, look, but fair value gaps are bullshit. But fair value gaps are bullshit. Oh, but wait. Oh, but wait. Fair value gaps are bullshit. When you trade it every single day for 4 years straight, you start to learn what works and what doesn't work. Which is why I said don't quit before you actually start to understand this shit. Because when you start to understand it, man, you become invincible. You have the ability to make this money just consistently appear. Wow. After my rant about these prop firms, premium member, you can only request for 50% of your total profit. I just can't, bro. You have to make thousands of dollars on the eval account. Great. Make thousands of dollars on the eval account. And then get funded and then make thousands of dollars more to build a buffer to then be able to request a payout. So you have to make like double. You have to make like 6K, right? At the very least, to be able to request a payout from a 50K account for most firms, for a lot of firms. And then you can only request 50%, which is $1,500. So you make $6,000 and then you can only get $1,500. And yeah, you can't lose 2K. And if you lose 2K, you're fucked. It's crazy. What site do you recommend for a live account? Ninja Trader. That's my go-to. But I mean, if you are just learning and you're not yet comfortable with risking your own money, I understand, and that's totally fine. It actually is a good starting point, but just don't let prop firms own you. Like, don't become their cash cow. That's all I'm trying to say. Because you may become their cash cow without even realizing it. So just make sure you're conscious of that, and how much you actually spend with these prop firms. Because if it's like many thousands of dollars, you're probably just better off building a live account with static drawdown that doesn't move with when you make money. But if you don't have a lot of money to start up with, I totally understand it. And I actually would advocate for prop firms in some cases, for sure. I'm not just saying go, pull out your life savings and open a live account with it, but Swush, how did you mark out the standard deviation? Standard deviation is from the external high to the nearest pivot point from before that high or low. So in this case, external high right here, that's where you start the standard deviation, and then pull it to the nearest previous pivot point, right? Which is going to be that low right there. You can do it from either the 5-minute, 1-minute, or 15-minute. Those are my favorite ones to do it on. And as you can see, like, where do you want to be looking for reversals on a standard deviation? From -2 to -3, ideally. As you can see, price comes down into that -3 area, which is also matched up with the other confluences, and we find support. Crazy, huh? And we also have fib there too, so. Swoosh, wait for 781. We're full porting. Nice. Forgot to tell you, happy Pride Month, Swoosh. Yeah, Randy. Uh, Thanks, bro. I guess I don't know. I do celebrate, or I don't celebrate, but I appreciate the wishes anyways. Market's just sideways, man. There are a lot of Uncle Randy we need you to remove. Okay. I'd rather be. I'd like to show you guys something new I've been working on, which is coming out very soon. I would like to introduce you guys to Gamma Boost Plus. I would like to introduce you guys to Gamma Boost Plus. This is my Steam app. This is my tool on Steam. It's coming out June 22nd. Let's take a look at what it does. It boosts Gamma. It's the only Gamma tool. It is the only Gamma control tool on Steam. It's the first ever Gamma control tool to be on Steam. This is for all my gamers that play Rust, Tarkov, Gray Zone Warfare, any dark games. It is great. It is great. And we have eye care modes on it as well. Like if you don't want blue light from your monitor as well, which I personally care about a lot. It's great. And it also has screen dimming. So like I have multiple monitors, which is kind of cool, that I can dim my left screen because sometimes it's like super bright in my peripheral. So I can dim my left screen. Community shit. I'll show you guys what it looks like in game. It's coming out June 22nd. This is what it looks like in game. I'm actually it's very cool. This is what it looks like in game. That's with Gamma Boost right here. That's with Gamma Boost. Without, with. This is the only tool. It's the only Gamma control tool on Steam. First ever. Boom. Without. So if you play any dark games that look like this and you can't see people or you want a competitive edge, bang. Wishlist now on Steam. I'd appreciate it, man. It actually helps out the app a lot. I'm pretty hyped for this launch, bro. It's my first ever Steam app too. If you guys would find this useful, it's $5, maybe $10. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool. It's helpful for me. Maybe it's helpful for some of you out there as well. Gamma Boost Plus on Steam, baby. That's perfect for Arc, especially night raids. Exactly, bro. I've actually tested it on Arc Raiders. I wonder if I have the video. Let me see. Let me see if I have the video. It's actually sick, bro. It's actually very helpful. Especially if you play those dark games. Some people call it cheating or they think it's cheating, but it literally just uses what's already built into your monitor and makes it actually accessible for you. So yeah, let me see if I have the video. You might get hacky-sated for cheating, but who cares, bro? All right, this is with Tarkov. You can see into the shadows. Pretty cool. Gray zone again. Dark, and then you can see Rust, dark, and then you can see into the shadows. It boosts everything. Arc Raiders, bang. Look at that on Arc Raiders right there. Dark, bang. You could see into the alleyways and shadows and everything. That's Gamma Boost Plus, baby. Wish list on Steam if you guys are interested, man. I'd appreciate it. Why no trade tomorrow, by the way? I just don't trade Thursdays, bro. That's it. I just don't trade Thursdays. I don't trade Thursdays anymore. Price action hasn't really been good on Thursdays. Yeah. Thursdays are the only day that I decide to take off. Oh, did you like this? Yeah, for me, the past couple Thursdays have just been not great price action. So it's better to just take the day off entirely, for me at least. I've enjoyed it. Yeah, haven't seen really any setups the past couple Thursdays. So I don't want to waste my time. Don't want to waste your guys' time either. If I use Tradeovate, what would be the best and consistent trade copier? Don't they have a built-in copy trader on Tradeovate? Yeah, they do have a built-in one. I don't know if you're locked into the Tradeovate ecosystem though or not. Like you have to trade on the Tradeovate charts. You can lose, yeah. Go through TradingView. If you only want to go through TradingView, check if the Tradeovate trade copier will still do that through TradingView. I think there is a way actually to do that. To use the Tradeovate copy trader, but still be able to trade your primary account through TradingView. I'm pretty sure you can. Just search it up to double check. Because yeah, last thing you want to do is be manually placing trades on multiple accounts. It's not great. Guys, I'm out of here. It's 11:11. Hope you guys enjoyed Winning Wednesday. Once again, another beautiful Winning Wednesday, giving you guys a beautiful trade. 150 ticks, $1,500 on the day. Plenty of premium gains. Premium, if you haven't already, post your gains. Tag me in Jay. And enjoy your profits on the day. If you guys are not in premium, you guys can join premium. Go to the upgraded premium section in the Discord. $75 a month gets you access to the Discord. We're going on 4 weeks without a single red day inside of the group. So, yeah, lock in with us, man. I mean, we're hot right now. So, premium, I love you guys, man. I'll see you guys on Friday. Good luck tomorrow. Enjoy your profits, man. Later.